Hey guys, this is OG from Crypto Knights back with another altcoin update. Let's start off with Cardano. So as we can see, price has been suppressed by this resistance trend line, right? Coming down where we got a high here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and another potential rejection here. What we are looking for though is for a potential breakout out of this trend line, right? So all trend lines eventually do break. So if we do get a break of the trend line, let's assume here, then we could potentially have a pump at least to the 200 MA, so to the dollar, $1.48, $1.50 levels. And so I'm looking for a breakout out of this potential resistance trend line, probably somewhere along here. What we also do have is a bullish RSI divergence as well, and so which is why, right, like this, which is what is leading me to look at this resistance trend line at this point in time, and looking for a potential breakout because there is this divergence that's happening now. And let's see, moving on to the BinanceCoin chart, we are seeing a potential W pattern that I love to trade so much, but again, we need to wait for a breakout confirmation, right? So breakout is around 345, and so if price comes up here and breaks through with strong volume, I will also be looking for a potential long trade. Of course, keeping in mind that there's potential resistance at the 200 MAs, which is why I would need to see strong volume come in. If this breaks with very low volume, then I would be hesitant to enter because I would be having doubts in my mind about whether or not price could break through. But if we break this with strong volume, then I am more confident that there is enough momentum to break through this 200 MA's resistance level. Now let's take a look at Matic or Polygon, depending on Matic. Actually, it's the BTC pair that has the potential trade setup. So there is a potential inverse head and shoulders forming. Let's see, right? If we take this as the left shoulder, this is the head, and then this is the potential right shoulder, then we have a potential breakout at around the 3,900 Satoshis level. So aligning very much with where the 200 EMA is at on the hourly charts. And so if we were to break above this, right, this one will show that there's, we are above both of the MAs, which would be bullish, and then this would be a breakout out of this inverse head and shoulders. Of course, as I'm recording this, price is kind of breaking down a little bit. So, if price comes back lower, then this pattern would be invalidated, right? And so, as with all trading pattern, we wait for the breakout confirmation in order to trade. We don't trade beforehand because the pattern might not be confirmed. Okay, let's take a look at, let's get Uniswap. So Uniswap, we're again waiting for a potential short upon the first retest of the 200 moving averages. As I was mentioning in the previous videos, it never retested it. It just kept on falling lower and lower and lower. And so we're waiting for a potential short here. And lastly, let's take a look at Ripple XRP. As I mentioned in the video a couple of days ago, we were looking for a potential short upon the rejection off of the 200 MAs, and that's exactly what happened here, right? We see that after we broke down, this was the first time it retested, and it got rejected here, and price collapsed. And so this is more of a quick update. So that's all the altcoins that are catching my eye for the moment, and this is what I wanted to share. If you guys appreciate videos like this, please do hit the like button. Let's get to 10 likes, and I'll see you guys in the next video.